Hey everybody, Cooper here. Today we're going to be dressing some tires with dynamic dressing from P&S. So P&S's dynamic dressing is dilutable anywhere from 8:1 to 1:1. 1:1 is going to be that higher gloss, higher shine, and then that 8:1 is kind of going to be that matte finish. I just did a 1:1 ratio for the tires. You can dilute it more for interior leather. You can do it on the trim. It has multiple uses, just anywhere, engine compartments, exterior moldings. But we're going to show you both ways to apply the tire dressing today. First, I'm going to spray the tire directly, and then apply with the applicator pad, apply it, and then I'll show you directly how it's used if you just spray it on the applicator pad itself. So we'll get right in here. I did apply some undressed from P&S to the tires before this, so it's been prepped for the tire dressing and it's ready to go. So we'll just go ahead and try to spray the tire only. It has a banana smell to it too, which is nice. And then we'll go ahead and... Dynamic dressing is a silicone-based formula which adds durability and water resistance. It will also not harm your interior plastics or vinyl dashes. Now, spraying it direct is a great application process, but the only downside is you have to wipe off the excess spray with a towel on your rims afterwards. So as mentioned, this time we're just going to apply it straight to the applicator pad here. There we go. P&S's dynamic dressing leaves a high gloss, water resistant finish with no visible residues, enhancing the appearance of your vehicle's interior and exterior rubber, plastic, and vinyl surfaces. You want to let the tires sit about 5 minutes before driving, so I'll let it sit here for about 5 minutes and then we'll pull it out into the sun and see how it looks. Here are those results. So this one we just applied it straight to the tire, and this front one we applied it to the applicator pad itself. Nice high shine, high gloss.